What's up? I'm JP. I'm an SEO specialist and web developer here in San Francisco. I enjoy researching sales processes, buyer psychology, and turning online roadblocks into revenue. This is the Digital Growth Stage channel where we break down and air out the tough stuff that's actually stopping your brand from scaling online. We cover actionable steps to get you moving faster with your website, so let's get into it. If you're a professional service business trying to level up your website and grow online traffic fast without accidentally killing your SEO in the process, then this video is for you. We're going to show you exactly why AI built websites can look incredible and still fail to rank, and what foundation you actually need so your efforts compound on Google instead of disappear. So this video actually pairs with an article I wrote that goes a bit deeper on the full process. The link is in the description if you want to dive in after this, but for today we're going to get into the visuals. So first, let's go straight into Lovable's own SEO and GEO best practices. Now, this is straight from their docs. Traditional platforms like WordPress or Webflow send the browser a fully assembled HTML page for each URL, while Lovable sends code and instructions that your devices use to build each view, so that all pages are really just different states of the same application. And then right below that, you'll get some information on the best ways to make your site crawlable with Lovable. If this is the trajectory you're going, this is how you would make this environment SEO friendly. And so here is the challenge. So this is my Lovable website. This is how I built it initially so that I can get through all of the prototyping before I had actually launched it to the web. And what I want you to notice is that I navigate between pages and the Ahrefs data from one page to another doesn't change, meaning that the website pages specifically are not indexable. And so this information inside of the meta content from page to page is completely the same, meaning every single one of these pages don't change any of the information that Google would see based on it. And here's the thing about React single page applications that Lovable builds is they don't naturally hold SEO past the first page. Your home page might look fine, but every deeper page, Google can't properly read it, index it, or rank it. And so that's a problem that needs to be circumvented if you have a service-based business that you want people to find online. Here's what's happening under the hood. Lovable outputs this React single page application. Google has to render the JavaScript to read it, and that process is delayed. Sometimes it's inconsistent, and it's not guaranteed across all your pages. So your home page gets crawled, your money pages, or the ones that actually target your keywords, those might as well not exist because Google can't see them. So here's what I did. I restored my old site from the backup, and then I rebuilt the Lovable website on WordPress and Elementor, and I matched the look and the structure, and then I layered in Rank Math for SEO. So now let's run that same Ahrefs test to see if there's a difference in the meta information. And so here's the meta title for the home page, and let's just make sure that's different than the pricing title for the pricing page. And so when we're inside of a Lovable environment, we're not going to get the same differentiation on page to page from this meta information unless we go through those secondary steps to make the Lovable environment SEO friendly. While WordPress naturally and natively comes with these SEO inclusions already available. So after wrapping this up during my move to SF, my rankings jumped from somewhere in the 200s to the mid 60s for local SEO San Francisco, and it only took a few weeks. I was able to redesign using all of the prototyping functionality inside of Lovable, but then I launched using all of the SEO best practices inside of WordPress. And so here's the play. Use AI builders like Lovable to prototype. Stress test your layout, visualize your funnel, compare against competitors before you spend $1 on development. And that's where this is going to shine. But when it's time to build for rankings, WordPress and Rank Math are incredible tools for anyone on this journey. Just to make sure you put in the time to learn these environments so that you can manage them and make real decisions and stay aligned with your roadmap as it evolves. All right, that's the 2026 story behind AI web development and SEO. Fix the foundation before you pour into ads or link building. If this clicked, hit subscribe, drop a comment with what you're building, or book a discovery call with my team. The link's in description. Thanks again for joining. That's all we have to report for today. We'll talk to you soon.